Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Robinhood. Keep watching the video till the end. To contact your Robinhood, firstly open your Robinhood application. The home page of Robinhood will appear on the screen. Tap on the human icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the little gear icon on the top left corner of the screen. Among the options listed on the menu section, tap on Robinhood Support. On the next page, press on Contact Us 24/7. Select the options among brokerage, crypto or spendings to which you want to make a contact to. This is how you can make a contact to Robinhood quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.